Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a new week. Me and Dad just left the yard going to Texas. And yeah, one of the things that happened, we just left Knoxville, not even 30 minutes outside. We got a truck that's overturned. Sad day for this guy. Real sad day. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, they're trying to get him unloaded so they can pull him over. Yep, I guarantee you what happened was he came around this corner too hot and heavy. Woo. Finally. Alrighty. Okay. Let's go. But today we're going to Dallas, Austin, and then when we get done with those two, we're turning around coming back to Knoxville, only to reload and to go to Lubbock, Texas. So, Texas, baby. Let's go. Well, we're unloaded. Didn't take too long, but it was real close to the ground. We got over here. That old boat is all sideways, ugly. Well, Dad and I are getting the second boat unloaded. We're in Austin. And it was a fun one to back into here. A little scrapey on the driveway. Because, you know, we sit low on the ground. But they're working on this one so far. This set's kind of close. So we're having to be very, very careful. And very, very slow. We're in Jackson, on our way back to the yard to get reloaded for in the morning. Be there in about 7 hours. And we got to head to Lubbock, Texas, of all places. A little town I grew up in when I was younger. So I got family there. I don't know if we'll be there for too long. We'll probably just dump off the 2 boats or 3 boats, whatever we got, and get a car backhaul. And we just kind of go from there. Good news, Dad and I made it back to the yard this morning, and we just left. We got 2, is it Mastercraft? Is it 2 Mastercraft or is it 2 Malibu? I can't remember. I don't remember saying. That's alright, don't matter. We'll figure it out. I think it's Mastercraft. I see the bumper. So, going to Lubbock, Texas, two of them. I would have wanted to stop this morning and go get me a shower at that TA, but I wanted to do that too if we had time to do it. Yeah. Looking at that time, I was like, well, it's 4:13 in the morning.
They were quick.
I mean, you're quick. I'm a little slow, but
well, I'm just saying they were quick about loading the boats.
Oh yeah, yeah, they were quick about loading the boats. So we don't need fuel unless you want to stop and grab something to eat and cross.
You want something to eat?
Nah, I'm good.
Sure. I don't care. We got time.
Yeah, that's true. Unless you want to stop and grab a shower there.
No. We started out at 11 o'clock.
Okay.
So it's going to be later night. So
it's going to be an hour before I can get there. So, you know what? Never mind. Just go on. Seriously. Just go on. I'll be alright. I'm going to go to bed. And,
I'll let you have the rest of that lamb.
No, I don't want the rest of that lamb.
Yeah. I'm sick as hell.
Ugh. Yeah. Had that belly sore.
Yeah, it's still a little bit queasy. But I'm alright. I still feel it, you know.
Yeah.
I would not wish that on my worst enemy if I had him.
what I wake up to. Washing windows. Morning, Dad. We're over here at where at?
We're in Roland, Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Right across the border.
Yeah, head to Lubbock. Well, as you heard the man say, we're in Roland, Oklahoma. And I'm getting coffee. As well. It's that time. We ain't got but probably, I don't know, maybe 8 hours to get to Lubbock from here. And then, interestingly, we got 3 cars for a backhaul to pick up in Lubbock and take it to somewhere in Alabama. Man, I've been in Alabama more times than I can count in the last week and a half. I had a reunion that I went to this last weekend. Weekend for me. For you guys, it's probably going to be a few weeks before you actually see this video. I have taken a sabbatical, a small one, about a week off again to focus on said reunion. Didn't realize I needed to do that after I made the commitment to do daily videos. But yeah, well, such is life. Stuff happens, and so I just simply took that time that I needed, and I'm back with you guys now. So, y'all noticed a drop in the videos for a moment. Then that's what it was. It was about a week. That's all. But I'm back, and we're going to focus more on stuff at home and stuff here on the road. So you'll see more content there, and you'll see more content here. Hopefully I can get Dad to jump in like he just did a minute ago. He's a goofy man. Alrighty boys, we got a conundrum, and part of that conundrum is the pipe and the camera. I'll show you in a second. So getting in here was kind of fun with the entrance, but you gotta do it early in the morning, and you only gotta come from the west. Well, coming from the east heading west, but this curb's right here. So my plan is to get in over here and then at an angle, get the truck and trailer at a diagonal where I can miss all that and back straight in, and then cut it at a 90-degree into there without coming off the concrete, because the concrete ends literally at that curb all the way to the fence, to the other side of the fence, all the way to the back side of that fence as well. So nothing but dirt, just like that. So, and it's something nasty and wet. Alrighty, let's go. Okay, well, a lot easier than I thought. It being the first time I had the blind side with this thing, but they made it wide enough. We'll call it good. They're trying to back it up. Got it off my trailer. That's all that matters. Oh, she's a little tight, all right. Yeah, we'll get it there. Okay. Let's see if we can get some photos, and we'll be good. All right, Dad and I are here at the car place. Let's get our 3 pickups. I think we got a Chevy and 2 Fords, or is it 2 Chevys and 1 Ford? I gotta look at the bills. We'll figure it out. Well, we got our cars, and guess what? They're bringing it to us. We like that. We ain't gotta go hoofing or counting our steps today. He ain't gotta work too bad. Yeah. Where do we used to live? Here in Lubbock? Yeah. Off of 101 or 104 or something? 4th Street. 4th Street, that's what it is. Yeah, something like that. It's a nice little house. Then we lived off of University. They bought another house. It had wheels on it. Okay, so The one thing we're doing different is we're taking these ramps and we're attaching them here. And we're going to be adding blocks of wood in here somewhere because this is the first time we've actually used these ramps. And then once the car is up here, the pickup, we gotta move this somehow. I don't know. This is fangled in the contraption. We're gonna have to release the brakes and all that jazz. But I gotta get to work. See, he's already ahead of me. That's gonna be a fun one. Look at that, guys. That's a ramp. Woo! That's a ramp right there, boys. Yeah, mule. Yeah. Okay, here we go. What we got? Are we all the way on? We got all 3 loaded. Look at that. Oh boy. Morning again. Still got 3 cars on us. Called customer and he knows we're coming, but they don't get in until like 8 o'clock in the morning. We're getting there at 6 a.m. so we got a little bit of waiting to do. Other than that, we're just taking our time. 7 hours to go. Currently somewhere in near us out of Shreveport. And the TA. She got the truck washed and got some breakfast for me and Dad. And on our way to the customer. We're about, I don't know, 200 miles out. So not too far. Hey guys, last vehicle. I'm on top of the truck right now. Alrighty. There we go. I got 3 sets of ramps to do now. Trust in Dad. Here we go. Alrighty. Which direction? Okay.
Right there.
Let's go get some paperwork signed.